Okay.
Okay, boleh nampak
Yes.
Okay, I think last week kita ada bagi tahu, okay, sekarang ni siapa tu? Gold bila turun dekat 1752, okay, and then dia cuba naik ke atas, I think about 1815 becomes the high, okay, for this and then dia drop. Okay, so kalau kita pergi dekat time frame yang kecil, kita boleh nampak mungkin a bit clearer. Tapi tiba-tiba weekend ni tak tahu apa dia punya chart refresh ni dia kurang sedikit. Okay, so sekarang ni H4 kalau nampak kat sini 1815 was the high dia buat. Okay, dia take out the stop loss siapa yang tengah sell daripada atas ni. Okay, and then dia drop balik dekat 1780. Then after that dia naik. I think yesterday semalam ke atau hari Khamis yang ada data PCE, okay, that okay, hari Khamis rasanya, okay, dia push gold turun spike sedikit, lepas tu dia naik ke atas. So now is hovering around 1808 to about 1810, okay. So sekarang ni of course kalau tanya saya still holding to gold bearish lah, okay, on a bigger time frame, okay. Tapi sebab dia dah break this 1800, okay, and then previously 1810 ni, dia ada possibility untuk naik sedikit sebelum turun ke bawah, okay. Tapi kalau tanya saya, I'm looking at about 1810 might be the current orang kata current high, okay, this short term high. So I'm looking more for the market to go down at least to about 1790 ataupun 1785. So this is my prediction for this week. Okay. But macam saya kata, okay, Vladimir Putin, okay, dia a bit difficult to predict sekarang ni, especially with the Russia-Ukraine punya issue. Okay. China, I think a bit tak ada sangat, but this guy, Russia, anything can happen. Okay, kalau that thing happen, then we are looking at it, gold might attempt 1825 towards about 1830 punya level. But kalau Russia didn't come into the picture, then we are looking at it, price might go down to test 1790 to about 1785. Okay, and maybe before NFP probably range dekat sini lah. But if anything news coming out, which is I don't think so, then most likely they akan break back to this 1775 to 1770 punya zone. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at it before NFP in 2 weeks time. Tapi there is a potential to go up a bit here. That depends on the geopolitical risk ataupun anything not so good coming out. But if it's no news geopolitical tension coming to play ataupun siapa tu yang pasal build back better yang Biden punya plan tu, okay, if suddenly siapa tu Senator Manchin it comes into play and then suddenly everything they're going to spend about I don't know 1 trillion plus ataupun few trillion, okay, then gold potentially can go up. Tapi sekarang ni pasal Mamat ni tak sokong Biden, okay, so that also giving a bit of pressure untuk gold turun ke bawah. But I don't think anything will happen on this build back better infrastructure package until about first week of January, sebab semua orang Congress ataupun senators cuti Christmas ataupun cuti New Year, so hardly will anything come out. So that's why my belief ataupun my direction at this point still gold ke bawah. That means as long as dia maintain 1815 1810 ke bawah, then the direction adalah ke bawah. Tapi the moment they break out this and close above 1820 punya level, then we are looking at it one more attempt to 1840 1850 punya zone. Okay, so in a bigger time frame, kalau saya pergi dekat daily, okay, if these things happen, okay, break and then close somewhere kat sini, then you're looking at it one more attempt to about 1840, 1845 before come down. So this will move in this pennant in a bigger time frame. Okay. Kalau tidak, then we are looking at it this move. That means you are looking at it. Kalau you all ambil head and shoulder daripada sini, then this might be the head and shoulder punya pattern, breakout here and ke bawah. Okay, so this is more on the gold punya prediction, but just watch out for any geopolitical news coming out. Okay, if it's not, then fundamentally we are looking at the gold to make a bearish move. Okay.
Okey,
Okay,
baik.
Bun?
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So, go ada dua kemungkinan lah kalau berdasarkan
But
technical
again,
pun ada macam ada.
it depends on the news, what's going to come out. If it's more negative sentiment atau geopolitical issue, then we are looking at it gold to break 1815 to 1820. But if that happens, then there'll be one more leg up to about 1840 to 1850 zone. But if those geopolitical issues not coming up, then we are looking at it gold to make one more attempt to come down to 1780, 1775 zone. Okay. And then probably retrace back, then 1800 might become a resistance before going down to further down to about 1750, 1740 zone. Because we are looking at it, NFP might be a better number in 2 weeks' time. So if that happens, then gold, and also we are looking at it, those inflationary numbers will also try to adjust back after all those supply chain issue, all those transitory comments from Federal Reserve, all those taken out of the equation. Then we are looking at it gold to turn bearish towards a deeper correction to about 1700 to about 1680 punya level after NFP.
Okey, baik. So, apa-apa kita lihatlah isu-isu semasa, dan kalau tak
Isu-isu
kita akan
semasa,
tunggu
okay.
ataupun waktu NFP lah.
Gold will react very fast to any news coming out. It not necessarily yang Russia punya issue, tiba-tiba katakan Xi Jinping bagi tahu anything, sebab sekarang ni pun siapa tu, US tengah ban few companies dekat dia punya stock market, and at the same time dia ban import daripada Xinjiang punya zone, okay, due to the human rights punya issue. So kalau China retaliate, which I think they already started to retaliate, they also ban, if I'm not mistaken, 2 or 3 companies of US punya trading to China, but it's on a smaller scale, okay. But if it becomes on a bigger scale, then it is something we need to worry about.
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid.